I got the problem, what is 2/3 of 3/6? Right underneath that you can see that my student divided 2/3 by 3/6, which is not what the question was asking. They did divide it correctly and they got the right answer, it's just not what the question was asking for. So the misconception is that they didn't know what the unit was. They thought that of was dividing, not multiplying. So the question is actually asking them to multiply and to find 2/3 groups of 3/6. So I added some context to these numbers. I said you open a container of yogurt and you see you have 3/6 of the serving size left. You eat 2/3 of it. What portion of the yogurt do you eat? So using fraction tiles here, you can see that the whole bar represents the whole carton of yogurt, the whole container. Even the eaten portion will show the uneaten portion by dividing our carton into 6, because it says you have 3/6 left. Now that means that we have 3/6 left, so we've eaten some, which you can see that 3/6 is equal to a half of our total carton. But you can also see mathematically 3/6 is equivalent to a half. So basically we have a half of our carton left. It also proceeds to tell us that we ate 2/3 of that 3/6 left. So we need to divide, or not divide, but we need to separate the 3/6 into thirds. So now this half of the carton left is no longer seen as sixths, it's seen as broken up into thirds. It says that you eat 2 of those thirds. So how much did you eat? Well, 2/6 is also equal to a third. So you ate a third of the carton. Now, showing this abstractly, we'll show the whole container of yogurt, which evenly eaten portion, as the rectangle. We will need to divide this rectangle, or separate this rectangle into 6 to show how much we have left. We have 3/6 left, so we need to see this container of yogurt divided into 3 sections. So that's how much we have left. So we need to show that's how much we have left, so we'll just cross out the eaten portion. Now, it also says that you ate 2/3 of those 3/6. So you can see that what's left over is already divided into thirds, and you ate 2 of those thirds. So how much of the carton did you eat? Well, you can see that there are 3 groups of thirds here. You ate a third of the total carton. Now, showing this mathematically, you ate 2/3 of your 3/6 serving left. So 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 6 is 18. You can divide those both by 6, and you get 1/3.